Okay, factors. Okay, we're going to talk about factors here. What are factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, that means 12 can be divided by 1, 12 can be divided by 2, 12 can be divided by 3, 12 can be divided by 4, 12 can be divided by 6, and 12 can be divided by 12 to give you a whole number. Alright, what are common factors? Okay, let's see. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, what are factors of 15? Factors of 15. Okay, 1, 3, 5, and 15. Okay, which means 15 can be divided by 1, 3, 5, and 15 to give you a whole number. But if 15 were to be divided by 2, it will give you 7.5, which is not a whole number. So therefore, you exclude 2 if you can see. 15 divided by 4, you don't get a whole number as well. So in this case, the common factors are 1, right? And 3. Are there any other common factors? Nope, there aren't any more common factors. So therefore, the common factors of 12 and 15 are 1 and 3, right?